Today we're going to go over Oak Meadow's second grade curriculum. This is an all-in-one curriculum consisting of 36 weekly lessons that cover all subjects: math, science, language arts, social studies, music, art, and health. In math, students work on mental math, multiplication tables, number patterns, and more. Science covers animal observation, the food chain, and the interdependence of nature, among other things. Each lesson begins with a weekly planner and a summary of the assignments for the week to come to help you organize by week and day. In addition, each lesson has a list of materials that are needed that are broken out by subject so you can plan ahead. We also include a full material list in the back of the course book, organized alphabetically and by lesson. You're welcome to shop for the materials on your own, or you can purchase craft kits in our bookstore for each grade level to have most everything you need at your fingertips. Now, on to the structure. This is an integrated curriculum, so all subjects inform one another. As a Waldorf-inspired curriculum, we value the marriage of the head, heart, and hands, meaning that you'll be working on projects in tandem with reading and having conversations with your child in an interdisciplinary fashion. As mentioned, music is a part of this curriculum. In this case, we have intermediate recorder. If this is your first venture into recorder, we also sell the second grade package with the beginner recorder book from the first grade as well. At the end of each weekly lesson, you'll find an assessment checklist. This is to help you track your students' progress over time. This covers all subjects, and it's great for an all-in-one record keeping and celebrating your learning journey. Second grade is written to expand your child's natural intelligence and growing confidence. You'll focus on building independent reading skills, cementing a solid foundation for future critical thinking. We encourage families to try Oak Meadow out for a week or two and see how it fits in their routine. We have curriculum samples for the first 2 lessons on our website available for free. Next, we're going to take a look at the resource book. This book will contain reading and support materials for the course book. You'll find it referenced in nearly every lesson. It's organized by subject first, then lesson number. We recommend that you read the passages ahead of time to prepare for questions your child may have and familiarize yourself with the material. There may also be moments when you can swap out material for a book from the library or a story more closely related to your culture and community. In math, students work on mental math, multiplication tables, number patterns, and more. Science covers animal observation, the food chain, and the interdependence of nature, among other things. Next up, we have our intermediate recorder book. In it, you'll find sheet music and instructions for each lesson. Recorder is a great way to build a foundation in music literacy and open up creativity in a child. If this is your first adventure with the recorder, you can purchase the second grade package with the beginning recorder book instead. If your child is learning another instrument, you can always incorporate those lessons into the curriculum in place of the recorder. Next, we're going to go over our reading materials. We've selected some chapter books that are included in our complete curriculum package, some classic and others written by us. These are books designed to foster independent reading skills, though we recommend you read them as well so you can discuss the story with your child as the curriculum progresses. In social studies, you'll cover history, geography, and civics through fables and folklore, covering origin stories across cultures. You'll also discuss the lives and stories of inspirational people throughout history. Young readers are invited on a joyful journey around the world. Through vibrant illustrations and engaging stories, children meet characters from over 30 countries, each sharing a glimpse of their daily life, traditions, foods, and celebrations. As a part of Oak Meadow's second grade curriculum, this book helps students build cultural awareness, empathy, and a sense of connection to the global community. It's a beautiful way to explore diversity while celebrating the things we all share: curiosity, creativity, and a love of learning. Finally, we have Tuck Me In and Other Tales, written by Arthur Scott Bailey. This is a collection of animal character stories with gentle, comforting themes that bring the natural world and wonder into the home. All right, moving on to our K through 3 essentials. If this is your first time using Oak Meadow curriculum, you may want to buy the package that comes with these 4 complimentary texts, especially if you have younger children. If you've already purchased this with a previous Oak Meadow curriculum package, you don't need to buy them again. First, we have The Heart of Learning, written by the founder of Oak Meadow, Lawrence Williams. It's a beautiful perspective on teaching to the whole child that provides an excellent pedagogical background for why we teach the way we do at Oak Meadow. The Essentials package also contains a guide to teaching the early grades, a craft book, and healthy living. All of these are intended to support your second grade curriculum experience, and they can be used in our kindergarten, first, second, and third grade. You can find detailed information about them in our kindergarten and first grade videos. I do want to note that while these are not required in the curriculum, they are referenced in the course book at times. Okay, so that covers everything you receive in a complete second grade curriculum package from Oak Meadow. I'll lay it all out so you can take a look. This curriculum covers a lot of ground, and you may notice that it does not include any worksheets or workbooks. Instead, students use what's called a main lesson book, which you can see here. These are blank notebooks with wax paper in between to preserve final artwork and stories created by your student as they work through the curriculum. They're a lovely way to mark progress through the year, and many families keep them as cherished keepsakes. That is everything. If you have any questions at all, please send us an email or give us a call. We have some lovely educational counselors who answer the phone weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. who'd be so happy to help you.